Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back. My name is Corrine, if any of you guys don't know. And today I'm gonna have some White Castle hamburgers and some cheesy fries. Put my cheese on here. Oh yeah. Some cheesy fries and some White Castle hamburgers. Okay, what I'm gonna do is say my prayers. Dear Lord, we thank you for this food in Jesus Christ's name, amen. Starving. I'll put a little bit of this pepper sauce on here, my sister-in-law's pepper sauce. Again, 5 Island Blend. You go to her Amazon page, www.5islandblend on Amazon. Okay, you see that? Okay, I'll leave it there. Okay, last time I spoke to you guys, we was talking about power, about Method Man, how good he looks. Look at that, first bite. I love cheesy fries. I hope everybody's ready to get to vote. I hope everybody registered to vote. I go on October 24th. Me and my sister-in-law and my brother, we go Saturday the 24th. Everybody go out and vote. We need something new, if you know what I mean. I really, really appreciate it. Let me just take time out of your support. I just want to thank everyone for subscribing to my page, liking and sharing, and also hitting those notification buttons. Deeply appreciate it. This is good. Let me slow down. Saturday I'm having a mukbang here, seafood mukbang with my friend Andre. Sunday I'm going to the hairdresser. My hair's sticking up like Don King under this. I have short hair, but you know, the wigs is just amazing. But my hair is short, like a Holly Berry short. But I must get that done this Sunday, and I'm glad she's open on Sunday. And then after Sunday after the beauty parlor, I'm going to go to JCPenney's and get my $26 credit back. And I need some king sheets. Not king sheets, because, yeah, I need king sheets with deep pockets, because my mattress, I'm not lying to you, is like this wide. The mattress, this wide. Maybe longer than, deeper than that. One mattress. So, wow. I was really hungry, guys. So my bed is no longer getting in there. I have to hop up in there just a little bit, but that's kind of fun. A little hop. My seafood sauce will be coming out. I give it within another month. I will be putting it on Amazon for y'all to buy, and y'all gonna love it. Seafood sauce. And that's for your crabs, shrimp, seafood boil, whatever you want to put in there. Look at that cheesy fry. You see it? I know I like to eat it with my fingers. Forget the fork. And after that, how's everybody's day doing? Going? I hope everybody's day is going well. Mine, I had a meeting and I snuck down to the laundromat, which is in my building, while I'm on the call in the meeting. And my group was busy talking, and I'm busy throwing clothes in the laundromat. Then I ran to the store, because the meeting's an hour, so I got some things that were needed. And I ran back, put the clothes in the dryer. So that was my day. A little rushing, but I did it, made it. I haven't had a White Castle burger in a minute. And I grew up on White Castles. My father, remember a little girl, my father used to bring it in for us to eat. My mother used to get it. It was always a treat to have White Castle. And I still love it to this day. People talk about White Castles make them go to the bathroom. Never me. Never. They call them murder burgers. They said it's the onions, but I never had that problem. And that's a good thing. I think even if I still had that problem, I'd still be eating them because they're so good. Yesterday I was watching this mukbang. This Oriental guy. He ate Travis Scott burger in 1 minute. Travis Scott burger, fries, and soda within 1 minute. He did it 3 times. The first time he did it 57 seconds. The second time he did it 49 seconds. And the third time he did it 47 seconds. The burger, the big burger, the french fries, and the soda. He's known for one of the fastest guys to eat on YouTube. And that's incredible. I'm supposed to be going to the track today. I think I'm gonna still go. Today is nice outside. Yesterday was windy, we still went. But I'm gonna go. I can't wait till my new system, my machine comes in. It's like a stepper like this. Like you climbing. I had the stepper was like this. But I have something like you do like this. You're moving your hands and you're moving your feet at the same time, like you're climbing a building. Yeah. That should be challenging. When I had that stepper, it did whip me up in shape. That stepper I had, it whipped me up in shape. Yes, it did. That's a good thing. The treadmill, it gets boring, but the stepper was good, but this is the climber. I'm gonna be climbing. I'm gonna be climbing right in here at lunchtime, whipping his body in shape. The lady who I go to the track with, she states that she's supposed to be going on a trip on a Norwegian in December. I don't think that they're gonna allow cruises, but she said that they didn't tell her anything yet. But as I see, the coronavirus is spiking up again, so I don't think she's gonna be going on that cruise. And I was I wouldn't want to go either. But we'll see. I ate all my food. Well, I got like 2, 3 fries. That's nothing. I just wanted to take a moment out to talk to you guys today. Please vote. I'm going to keep saying this until the time comes. Again, my sausage should be coming out in about a month. And I want to make it so you can make 2 batches of seafood boil. One half, like certain scoops for this one, certain scoop for when you do it again. So I want to make it for 2 times servings. Again, thank you very much, all you guys, for subscribing, sharing, and pushing the notification buttons. I really appreciate your support. What else? That's about it. And I hope y'all enjoy your beautiful and rest of the day. I'm gonna enjoy mine as well. And I have a little cleaning up to do. I'm gonna see if my neighbor next door can put up my curtain rod for me. It's a long thing and you gotta drill it in. Or if he doesn't do it, I have to see if my brother can do it. But in the meantime, guys, love y'all. And hopefully this button works. And have a beautiful day and later.